Today I am here at Frankfurt Airport to pick one of my students.
And from now onwards, regularly we are going to do that. We will be coming to Frankfurt, pick up our students, drop them to their universities.
Hi, how was you? कैसा था आपका journey? Nice.
I was very relieved because when there is no one to pick you up, it is very scary, but I was very relieved. So I got my visa in under 10 days. I delivered at my home.
That's
So it was very
Glasses नहीं पहने ना इसीलिए कैसा चल रहा है? एक दिन मजा आई सही है
And so I'm very happy to hand you the certificate, yeah, which shows that you are the best partner in India to represent our student colleague.
Hey students, this is me Amanpreet, co-founder from Ritpalo Vision, and today I am here at Frankfurt Airport to pick one of my students who is coming from Delhi, and she will be going to Student Click Paderborn. So we'll take her along to Student Click Paderborn and we'll drop her. So the services what we are offering to the student is not definitely just the visa or making the application for the student colleague or any bachelors, but also the support what we give in Germany.
और दीक्षार्थ भी आ रहे हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट. आपने बहुत इंटरव्यूज़ देखे होंगे हमारे साथ में. So he's also coming with us to Frankfurt Airport to pick up our student. So as you know that every year we make extra efforts to come to Germany, pick up our students, and from now onwards, regularly we are going to do that. We will be coming to Frankfurt, pick up our students, drop them to their universities, especially if students are coming to Student College Paderborn. We will be here in Frankfurt from the month of October and November onwards, pick you up for September 2025 intake, and then we will drop you at Student College Paderborn. So now we are going to Frankfurt Airport and we'll see one of our students coming from Delhi especially. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will be going to Frankfurt and we will be having one meetup over there for the students who came here for September 2024 and summer 2025 intakes.
Hi, how was you? कैसा था आपका journey? Nice. Perfect. So yes, I am with my student Ananya Wadhwa at Frankfurt Airport. So let us ask, how was her journey from Delhi?
It was very smooth. There was barely nothing at all. I was scared for nothing.
Okay, that's great.
It was very smooth.
That's great. So how good you are feeling when you are seeing us at the airport?
I was very relieved because when there is no one to pick you up, it is very scary, but I was very relieved. That feeling was very homey.
Right. And we never met in India also, right?
Yes.
So your entire process
It
was
was
done
online.
online.
It was
So how was the process basically with
It
us?
was very smooth. I suggested to many people that go to Ritpalo Vision only. So I had no doubts at all. I had 100% trust on them.
Wow, that's great, that's great. So how was your entire visa process, the pathways what we have suggested you, how good you are looking onto that pathways?
It was very smooth actually. There was barely nothing. I thought that visa process is supposed to be scary, but it was very smooth. I got my visa in under 10 days. I delivered at my home.
That's
So it was very smooth.
and the accommodation part here at
Yes,
Paderborn. So how was
yes.
that?
So many people don't get accommodation in Germany, and that is very like that is not proper. So you don't feel like you have a lot of nervousness that where you're going to stay. But mom told me she searched for me so much, and
Yeah.
I got an apartment to her only.
So yes, so we have discussion with many of the landlords, and then we finalized one, and that was a genuine one. And now she will be making her payments here in Paderborn itself, and she herself will make the apartment visit. So yes, this is very important. Before you come to Germany, you should definitely look for the accommodation option, and definitely you can pay there. But it is all about the searching and finding the best ones.
So the best part about Ananya Wadhwa is we just asked her that how you will be going to Paderborn now. So she told us, sir, आपने ही जो student भेजा था, so he will be coming to pick me up from the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. So abhi we are at Frankfurt airport. So now we will drop her to Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. From there our student will take her to Studienkolleg Paderborn. So हमको नहीं पता था. So Ananya told us, sir, उसको ही मैंने आपका recommendation दिया था, and he came before Ananya, so he will be dropping her to Paderborn. And if you are looking to come to Studienkolleg Paderborn, and the next intake is September 2025, so we will be here in Frankfurt again to pick all our students up, and we will be coming here in the month of September, October, November. So make sure you contact Amritpalo Vision if you are coming for September 2025 intake, which will start in November 2025. So अभी हम उनको drop करेंगे at Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof, and from there she will go to Paderborn, and day after tomorrow we will see you. Yes. And we will check about the universities where we have to apply for bachelors, because this is just a student colleague. हमको bachelors में भी 10 to 20 applications करनी होती है. We will do that. We will discuss that. We will have a meetup and a dinner meetup in Student Colleague Paderborn. So अभी जो अनन्या आई हैं, she landed at Terminal 1 और एग्जिट B1 से वो बाहर आई हैं. इधर जो है एग्जिट्स अलग अलग होते हैं. मेक श्योर अगर टर्मिनल 2 पे भी आप लैंड होते हो तो आपको ट्रेन स्टेशन जाना है. फ्रॉम ट्रेन स्टेशन यू हैव टू गेट योर Hauptbahnhof का ट्रेन. So Hauptbahnhof is the main station of Frankfurt. So any student who is coming for Paderborn Studienkolleg, आपको यहाँ पर आके आप let's say an example एयर इंडिया की फ़्लाइट से आ रहे हो तो यहाँ से आप बाहर निकलोगे. ये एक ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट होगा राइट ऐसे पीछे, और सामने आप देख सकते हो ऐसा एक एस्केलेटर्स होंगे. आप यहाँ पर आओगे और आपको वहाँ से ट्रेन स्टेशन के लिए जाना है. मेक श्योर आपको भूलना नहीं है. और अगर कुछ भी नहीं पता चलता यू कैन आस्क देम. लेट्स से एन एग्जांपल, अगर हम लोग नहीं हैं, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट को हम लोग पिकअप नहीं कर सकते, हमारी कुछ डेट्स होती है, उसी डेट्स में अगर आप फ्लाई करते हो वी विल बी हियर टू पिक यू अप. बहुत बड़ा एयरपोर्ट है, घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. अभी हम लोग ट्यूटोरियल बनाएंगे और आपको बताते जाते हैं. देखो अनन्या, ये ट्रेन स्टेशन लिखा है ना, उस बोर्ड पे वो नहीं था साइंस, तो ये ट्रेन स्टेशंस को आपको फॉलो करना है. और टर्मिनल 2 भी वहाँ पे ये देखिए. अगर आप नेक्स्ट टाइम पे अगर आते हैं तो आपको अगर टर्मिनल 2 पे लैंड करते हैं तो वहाँ से आपको ट्रेन स्टेशन का ही देखना है. यस, हाँ उधर ही जा रहे हैं. डोंट वरी. सो गाइस, नाउ दीक्षार्थ विल ड्रॉप अनन्या टू फ्रैंकफर्ट Hauptbahnhof, एंड वहाँ से जो हमारे दूसरे स्टूडेंट है दे विल बी टुगेदर गोइंग टू पाडरबॉर्न Studienkolleg, और वो वहाँ से वापस आ जाएंगे. सो भाई अच्छी तरीके से ड्रॉप कर देना. ऑल द बेस्ट अनन्या. सी यू. बाय बाय दीक्षार्थ. बाय अनन्या. बाय.
So hello everyone, we picked up Ananya from Frankfurt Airport, and now we are at Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. She will be continuing her journey to Paderborn, and Amritpal sir will be meeting her at Paderborn as well. So have fun. And if you want to go study and continue your studies in Germany, then contact us.
So we have picked up Ananya Wadhwa today on 6th May 2025. Tomorrow again we will be coming to the same airport to pick up other student. So guys, you can figure it out that the level of services and the support we are giving. हर बार पूछते हैं ना कि सर हम लोग खुद से करें. आप कर सकते हैं खुद से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But who will be here to pick you up from the Frankfurt airport? देखिए अनन्या came with 2 heavy baggage and the third one was hand baggage. We came here ठीक है, अगर आप एक बैग लेके आओगे दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट सी, it's a very big airport, very big train station, and very confusing system that where to go. It's okay that if you are coming for the first time and you want to explore, it's a good thing. But you just have to think that if you are coming on a odd days, who will be here to pick you up? So if you want to come to Germany, you can always contact Amrit Palavision.
ग्लासेस नहीं पहने ना इसीलिए. कैसा चल रहा है? एक दिन मज़ा आई, सही है. न्यू ईयर के बाद आऊँगी, मे बी जब मैं नवंबर में आऊँगी आई विल सी अ डिफरेंट ऋषित. Hi, Ashna, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for
Yeah.
coming.
You are meeting her for first time, right?
Yeah, that is. Yeah, but we talked. We
Yeah.
talked on the phone already. Okay, so those are the students. I
Yes.
know already. I'm familiar with you as well.
Ayush.
Ayush, and you are?
Ananya.
Great. Thanks, guys, for coming. I'll just take your luggage. Do you have more? No, that's fine. Okay, give me your luggage. So we'll just put them in here.
Hi, Amanpreet from Amrit Palavision. Yeah,
Hello,
thank you.
how are you?
How are you? Continue.
Hi, Amanpreet. Yeah, same here.
Hello, how are you? Same here.
Welcome to Paderborn.
Yes. Many more to come. Yeah, new students for summer 25.
Please take a seat.
So more to come within this month.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, the early birds.
Yeah, the early
arrivals.
birds, yeah.
Yeah, we happy to have you here. Please take a seat, yeah. Everything is there, candy.
Sure,
Cool.
thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Paderborn.
Thank you.
Welcome at Internationale Studienkolleg an der Universität Paderborn. My name is Deborah Schlimbach. I'm the head of the institution of the Studienkolleg. And so I'm very happy to hand you the certificate. Yeah, which shows that you are the best partner in India to represent our student colleague.
Great.
Yeah, and thank you for your outstanding dedication in the past.
Great, thanks a lot. So hello students, you can see that we received the certificate from Student Colleague Paderborn that we are one of their best partners in India. So if you are looking to study here in Student Colleague Paderborn, you can always contact Amrit Palavision. So there are many agencies working in India, but we are the best. We have the certificate now. And the best part about Student Colleague Paderborn is the alumni of Student Colleague Paderborn. So we have almost sent more than 50 students here in Student Colleague Paderborn in last few years, and all of them are studying into the top universities of Germany. So let's say an example, students are right now in TU Berlin doing their bachelor's here in Germany. The best part about Student Colleague Paderborn is any student who is coming here, they don't have to write Aufnahme, but they will write the FSP, and the FSP is valid across Germany. Unlike the other Student Colleague in which you just have to go to their partner university, you don't have any other option of any other universities here in Germany. So if you are looking to study here in Germany, you can always contact Amrit Palavision, and thanks a lot for giving us the accreditation that we are the best. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Thank you.